Alright, yo, check what's going on. It's your boy JMJ, the self-trainer. I got 5 more days before I can change my name back. So anyway, today's video, I just want to ask permission to use your videos as a split screen workout. If it's a video that I like, that I want to work out to, if you give me permission to use it, I appreciate it, all right? Because I'm starting my split screen workouts again. Last year, I asked permission, but it's a new year, so I'm asking again because I did it with like 4 people last year. Anna Agra, Lady Fortress, Last Beast, and Gaines, 50 Gaines, something like that. I forget his name. I haven't seen him around in a while, so I don't even know if he's still doing YouTube or not. So just asking permission once again. So right now I'm about to get it in 100 burpees with my boy. It is what it is. East Coast meets West Coast. All right, let's get them. All right, yo, check what's going on. It's your boy JMJ, the self-trainer. All right, and today I'm going to be rocking out 100 burpees with my boy, with my man. It is what it is. All right, I got my camera over there so I can keep up with him as he's doing his, but I should have it over here in the split screen.
It's,
you know, I haven't done a split screen in a while, so I'm going to get back at it.
What's up, you guys?
So this is a classic case of East Coast meet West Coast.
Today,
so if you notice how he dressed and how I'm dressed with the weather difference. All right, so on that note, let's get him.
I got 10 rocks right here, and I'm done doing 10. I remove the rock till I get to 100. Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Wow. Can't wait to get back to 5 pump. Easy money. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Oh yeah, it is what it is. I noticed you got the wristbands on I was talking about in my other video. Thanks for letting me do this split screen workout with your video. when you eat donuts, when you stop drinking water, when you start eating all kinds of freaking dairy. This is what happens.
Yeah, man. Me too. I was killing it
31.
with all that Thanksgiving and Christmas eating, especially that turkey.
33.
Because everybody left the leftovers. Left the leftovers at the house and I had to finish it up.
35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40.
Oh yeah.
But I'll be at the end of this year.
We'll call this staying fit. What it is, what it is.
40.
On the road to back getting fit, baby.
40. Let's go. 41. 42.
Oh, beating it up.
43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Halfway.
I might have did some extras in there.
You notice I'm not doing the Russian chair.
I was flying. I might have did 32, I don't know. I was just flying.
Hit that like, subscribe button. And let's do this together. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
60. Let's get him. Warming up. I don't feel the cold no more. Burning up.
Hey, Jay. Jay and
All
Jay.
right.
Buddy.
Gonna play, get some Heinz and catch up, huh?
Done it. I know we had a head start.
Yeah.
I'm done it.
Let's get him.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
72, yeah? day is the 23rd,
1,
January 2023.
2, 73, 74, 5, 76, 77, 78, 9,
80, 20 more, baby, 20 more.
3 more. Damn, guys. Whew.
Going down for another 10 to give us 90. Then 10 more after that for that 100 reps.
20 more. 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 86, 87, 88, woo, 89,
90. Went down for 10 more to give us 90. Booyah. 10 more. Going down for 10 more.
The ones that haven't worked out like me, 3-4 months, you can do it too.
Burn these 10 out quick.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Rocking chairs. 3, 4, wow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100.
Yeah, baby. I was
You guys
jetting on those.
I'm coming.
All right. Shout out, big up to my boy at It Is What It Is. It's your boy JMJ, self-trainer. And I see y'all on my next split screen workout. Hopefully it'll be with you. I always try to get permission first before you allow me to put your video on my video. So if it's okay for me to get in shape and stay in shape with one of your videos, by all means, let me know it's okay. I got permission from a lot of people before, but I just want to reiterate that because it's a new year and I'm starting up my split screen workouts again. All right, see ya.